Give you my heart.
Alright, so what is up? It is your boy Anshilo Boy, and we are back with another video. Alright, today we're going to be sanding down the rims that I have for a customer. And we're going to be taking the curb rash also. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, make it easier for you guys. And this time he wanted me to do it with Rust-Oleum and the Rust-Oleum Clear. And the price is a little cheaper because he wanted to do that. So it's gonna be quick because Rust-Oleum, I mean, it's spray paint, necessarily doesn't need primer. So all I'm gonna do is sand it with 220. Well, first I'm gonna clean it, then sand it, then spray the spray paint and the clear, and then let dry for maximum 2 days, and then he can come pick it up. But without further ado, let me get it started. Alright, since these wheels have sort of the wheels come from a rounded to a flat face, I personally will be using DA, but I'm gonna do it very carefully, very slow. Let me show you guys. Alright, so the wheels come to a point with a flat face. So I personally am going to be using DA, and then to get the where it's rounded and it has a little curb rash, I'll be using the hand sander. I'll be sanding it by hand. So I'll just get this, and then these grooves I have to get by hand, and then I'll be ready to paint. Alright you guys, so with this specific job, since you wanted me to spray paint it instead of using the actual method, I'm gonna spray one wheel first to see how it comes out. Then if it comes out good, then I'm gonna continue the rest. Because if it doesn't come out good with the spray paint, then I don't want to continue spraying the spray paint for him if it's not gonna come out good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray this one wheel that I prepped first, then I can send it to him, see how he likes it, because if he likes it, then I'll continue. Alright, so what he gave me to spray with is a Rust-Oleum Stop Rust Gloss Protective Enamel white and the crystal clear enamel for the clear coat. So I recommend that if you guys are going to use this method, please sit it in a tub of warm to hot water for about 15 to 30 minutes so that it'll come out nice and, well, I forget how to say it, but it just comes out better in the end. It'll give you a better thing in the end. So I'm just gonna get this started, so here we go. gonna let that dry 15, let me see, 15 to 30 minutes, and then I can come back with the next coat. Oh, and a little quick tip for you guys. All right, so if you are painting a rim like this and you happen to get a run, let's say you get a run here in one spot. So what you could do is that if you were in a rush and you didn't want to stop, so what you could do is you can continue painting the rest of the rim, but don't paint that spot. So when it dries, all you have to do is sand that one spot and then give it a couple coats and then only clear that spot. And then the rest of the rim will look good, and then you can just buff it out and then it'll look just the same. All right, you guys, so today I did 2 of the rims out of the 4, and for a can, I can't lie, they look pretty good. Let me show you. So, for a can, I cannot lie, they do look pretty good. I wouldn't do it myself since, you know, I know how to properly paint, but if somebody with a can needed to get their rims done, this is not a bad way to go. But if you are in Tampa, do not hesitate to go to my Instagram, DamnJr777, and hit me up for paint and anything else you need, bodywork, etc. So it's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna let you guys go. All right, so what is up, YouTube? It is a new day, this next day. All right, so let me start off first. So for this video, it might come out tomorrow for you guys because I'm gonna be pulling an all-nighter to get these rims done so I can start on the next project, which is the truck. But I have to pull an all-nighter because some stuff happened. Let me show you. So I sprayed the clear coat. Let me get this clear coat in. I sprayed this clear coat over this white. This one right here. And as soon as I sprayed it on the rims, the white started to crinkle up and come off the rims. And you know, that's not good. So I had to call the customer and ask him what he wanted me to do. So he just wanted me to paint him white, so I had to strip it. I had to go and get the stripper to strip it. And if you guys don't know what that is, it is this right here, aircraft stripper. This one right here. As soon as you put it on, it starts taking off the paint, and you need this squeegee and probably a brush and some purple powder after you're done. So now I just gotta hit it with the wire brush and get all the loose paint, and then I gotta re-sand it again and then put the white on it. So hopefully I'll have enough to finish today. If not, I'm gonna have to hold off till tomorrow, but I really want to finish today, so fingers crossed. All right, you guys, as you can see, it's freaking dark outside. It's like almost 8:30 at night, and I'm still sanding him. Just so you know, so you guys don't think I'm lying. This will, I promise you, this will get posted tomorrow. This is how it's going. Smooth. I'm working on the rest of these ones. I'm working on this one right now, and then smooth. Oh wait, no, this part's smooth, and then I just have to do that. Alright, you guys, that is the end for this video. I'm really tired. I just finished all of them. It is around 10 or 10:15, somewhere around there. But I managed to finish the rims. So tomorrow I can actually start on the truck. What's gonna happen with the truck is that I have to redo the roof. I have to repaint the roof, and then I have to touch up some spots on the hood and re-clear the hood. And then you guys will get a tutorial, or if you want to call it that, a little tutorial on how to cut and buff. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, show me some love, please, and have a good night.